So, it's Ben from Stanhope Farm, and we're just showing you our cockerels. You see how beautiful this bird is? You know, the weight, the size. It's unbelievable. Well taken care of, great crown on it. Look at the feather, look at the color. I would say that this, no joke, this has got to be at least 6 kg, quite easily. And if you look at the rest in there as well. So this is our breeding stock. We have some females over there, some hens, should I say, the correct terminology. That will be, I mean, even the eye color. So this is a breed, a French breed called the Rouge. Very tasty as well. Are you tasty? Are you tasty? Beautiful bird. Dalmatian, and we're just, you know, working with him around animals. Good lad. Good boy. Foos. Good show. Foos. Good show. Good show. Foos. Yeah, super. Good. So we have chicken. Good boy. And very early on, good lad. Good boy. We want a nice sit, loose leash, and no confrontation. Good lad. Say hello. One of the main things about our new program is this canine kindergarten and how very quickly we can get puppies stabilized around prey animals. And if they can be stable around prey animals, they'll be stable around anything. This is originally a badger dog that would go into badger sets and dig them out. And here we have him kissing a chicken. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Duckling moving day. We're moving them into paddocks where they have access to grass before we start to look at allowing them to free range. But the integration of dogs into our business, because the predation is so critical. Here we have young Tokyo. He's getting to meet the goats' kids for the first time. And one of the great advantages of working with us is the early learning. Come here, boy. And he must learn not to harass them in any way, shape or form. And we do this with, you know, many different animals. And right from the beginning, he will understand how he should behave, etc. And we would watch his natural prey drive and the psychology of the dog and how he should behave around livestock. Beautiful dog. So this is a canine in our elite program. We have clients that have horses, have other animals, and we have this as a USP. Good lad. And he'll just get, you know, to spend some time in this environment, and we will watch him and condition him, and yeah, he has no desire to chase them in any way, shape or form, which is nice. And he's being watched by Uncle Gino. Good boy, good boy. Here we have young Tokyo being handled by Uncle Gino, and he's getting his first experience here with the ducks. So our canine kindergarten is something that's really a very important thing for us. How we can make sure that these young dogs, especially in our elite training program, how we get them to be great with other dogs very early on, how we get them to be stable around farm animals. I want this to be another USP for us. For many farmers that have got a requirement for a protection dog, we can operant condition these young dogs around so many different poultry, etc. And he's doing really, really well. Good lad. Since becoming a farmer, the lunacy of banning fox hunting and the detrimental, devastating impact it has on, the opportunity for farmers to genuinely free range, poultry is a huge concern. You've got the fox that has no natural predator in this UK that is reproducing like a cancer, and nothing's been done about it. And then we talk about the welfare of all animals. There must be a control put in place. So after a couple of weeks being out in this pen, what have we seen? We've seen the FCR of these birds just blow up. I mean, the growth profile is accelerated with the same quantity of feed. They're just growing better. It's almost like when they come outside, they blossom. This type of system where they can see out fresh oxygen, great airflow. The results are remarkable. You look at the overall health of these birds. Just look at the feather. You look at the richness, the oils that are coming through. Very happy. So follow this journey. You've known us to work a lot with German Shepherds, Malinois, Rottweilers, all of these breeds. But without an acute focus on livestock guardians, the ones that are going to be the most viable against predation, but yet balanced, around the actual farm animals and balanced around the husbandry equipment of these farm animals. Follow us. One of the things I love most about our work with dogs and now farming is, the German Shepherd. It's the history of the breed is a war dog, a guard dog, and it's a shepherd dog, right? Shelby, here you go. Come on, Shelby, come on. Good girl. And she's out here with a purpose. And we want to try and encourage this more. We want to do a lot more business with farmers. Because we can help condition these dogs around farm animals, and it's an enriching life. So this is our turkey breeding program. She's loving life, enjoying life. Well done, girl. Really incredible genetics behind her. Bred at the academy. Look after the turkeys. We all love a turkey. I've just moved the eggs. This hen had laid eggs outside and just moved them back in. So I'm glad she's reapproaching them. And instead of going into the incubator, we're going to allow her to do it naturally. I think she has about 7 or 8. Can you see these organic eggs? Let me show you the quality. You see the quality of the eggs that we're putting in here. Thank you to all that support us. I believe, with beyond a reasonable doubt, that the Uncle Benji's raw dog food is the most complete and the most best value raw dog food available in this country, made by a canine expert from protein sources farmed directly on my farm. No middleman. I come directly to you with the produce. Visit poochdvd.com.